What's going on, everybody? So we are, I believe, in Koi Town. We're on the St. John River. We just kind of launched underneath this bridge here, which is kind of neat. Nice little launch pad there. Anyways, we're gonna go up and down the St. John River and hopefully hit a few small canals and maybe look at some cows or something, but we'll see what happens here. We're in crocodile country.
No.
All right, we got to get underway. Our other teammates are leaving.
I'm on a one-way track. Devil's breath creeping down my back. Empty sky, no started guide. Just a voice in my head I can't let die. I'm buried up where the black crows cry. Underneath that blood red sky, still hear her name in the glass all fall.
So here it looks like there's an old bridge or an old ferry terminal that used to run the river. I think this is an old ferry terminal, like a cable ferry. You'd come and you would bring your car up, get on a boat, and then you'd go across the river to leave to the other side. I think that's what it was. The way the slope is on the concrete, looks like you would drive down onto the ferry.
Ain't no sound except wind and crow. Her name scrawled small in a street.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a nice bald eagle. Oh, he's got a nice wingspan to him.
She walks the floor where we once lay. Hands all wrong, eyes gone gray. I asked for love, I got a curse, and now each night it just gets worse. The dead don't bark and the dead don't speak. Something rose in the midnight creek. She came back, not the same. Eyes like smoke and mouth like flame.
fast.
Play.